Hey everyone, welcome to the next unboxing and review video here on the channel. I'm Laser Clash and today I'm going to be presenting you my newest addition to my tech thingies, which is a Seagate One Touch external HDD. I have recently been thinking about getting a new hard drive for all of my personal stuff because the worst thing you could do if you have some important things offline digitally is to store them on a single unit. Please don't do that. First and most important rule. Make sure you back up your things on multiple devices or platforms in the cloud so that if one of them fails, you'll still have everything on other devices. I got this external HDD from Amazon on the spring sale for as much as 72 euros with free shipping, which I think was quite a good deal. Stay tuned for the unboxing and speed test. Thank you for being here. Okay, the first thing we will do is checking out the box itself. So this is the 5TB portable HDD with the usual warranty-like rescue plan from Seagate. With the purchase and first-time registration you get a bunch of free subscription trials of different apps like the Creative Cloud from Adobe, which gives you access to the photography plan for 4 months. The photography plan is really good for people who take and edit photos, of course, since in this bundle you will get the full version of Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop and their correspondent versions for phones and tablets as well. After 4 months you will have to pay full price if you would like to continue using the Adobe ecosystem, but I think it's a long enough period to get familiar with the products of Adobe to see if it's anything good for you. The other product you get for a whole year as a trial is Milio, which is a cloud-based photo and video backupper where you can store and organize all your shots. And with the 1-year premium version, you get access to the unlimited storage. Moving on to the side, Seagate's HDD is basically advertised here as being compatible with 2 operating systems, Windows and Mac. But since this hard drive is basically a PC drive with a case and the USB connector and with some wiring, it also can be used with Linux systems and game consoles as well. So if you are aiming for an upgrade for your PlayStation or Xbox storage, this might be something you'd want to look out for. Let's cut the Seagate security sticker and have a look inside the box. And here we are with the HDD and some documentations. Here's the quick start guide, warranty stuff in many languages. What I have noticed when browsing through the official website of Seagate and through other merchants' sites was that they don't really mention the actual read and write speed of the drive, but since it has a 3.0 USB connector, I assume this device also supports at least 130 megabits per second of speed, but this we will check out somewhat later. Here we have our quite short USB connector cable, and this is how it looks like. The drive is kinda heavy since it's a full-sized HDD with a mixture of a casing of plastic on the sides and back and metal on the front. Of course, if I compare it with my older Seagate drive, this one has a full plastic cover. It's an Expansion Plus model with the size of 2 terabytes. If you check out some teardown videos of other creators who actually open these external drives, you will see the difference immediately, since the One Touch is a full-sized drive and the Expansion Plus has a laptop-sized 2.5 inches hard disk inside. Of course, both of them are quite travel friendly, which means they can fit into any pocket of any laptop, bag or a backpack, so you won't have any issues with the weight whatsoever. And now we will check out the details that CrystalDisk shows us about the OneTouch HDD and do some read and write speed tests to show you how it performs under pressure. After copying my whole 400 gigabytes of personal stuff directly from the Expansion Plus, which I have mentioned earlier, to the OneTouch using a Windows PC, I must say it does the job well. It started with a high speed as 150 megabits per second, and I saw it slowing down to until a few megabits per second, but the process didn't take longer than 1.5 hours. After that, I checked it with my PlayStation 4 if it even recognizes it as an external drive, and in fact it did, so any one of you who might want to use this HDD for that purpose, I can confirm it works. This was my video about Seagate's 5TB OneTouch model of their external hard drive lineup. I can't thank you enough for watching my whole video. If you liked it, please give me some feedback any way you'd like to. I also accept both positive and negative so that I can improve in the future. See you soon.